Hi everyone, I hope that you all are doing fine. In this video, I'd like to highlight the standard of education that we have set for our students. चाहे वो कोई भी बुक सीरीज पढ़ते हों, be it NCERT or CBSE or any other, या अगर हम किसी भी सब्जेक्ट की बात करें, be it मैथमेटिक्स और जनरल साइंस, सोशल साइंस और कंप्यूटर, हम यूजुअली उनसे क्या कराते हैं? चैप्टर के एंड पे जो टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, हम वो क्राइम कराते हैं उनसे. And once they memorize the answers of these questions verbally, we quickly get an idea that they are done with the chapter. But let me remember you on the behalf of this video that this way is extremely faulty and wrong. And it's not workable or doable. So let me suggest some valid points which are very much productive for the sake of students and which would make their job easier and more interesting. It's our basic responsibility being teachers or elders or parents कि हम ये चीज़ें बच्चों से कराएं. Point first is, हर चैप्टर के एंड पे एक पेज पे होता है what you have learned, जो उस चैप्टर का क्रैक्स या निचोड़ होता है. हमें चाहिए कि हम अपने बच्चों को उस पर ड्रिल कराएं, उस पर प्रैक्टिस कराएं या वो लर्न कराएं. Second point is that when we usually go through the chapter, we come across brown boxes. उन brown boxes में होते हैं तीन चीज़ें. First is info bell, which refers to information bell, which is extremely informative. Second is wow words. And the third is term treasure, जिसमें एक टर्म डिफाइन की हुई होती है जो बहुत हटके उस चैप्टर से हटके होती है और बहुत मीनिंगफुल होती है. These points usually go unnoticeable to the students. So it's our duty कि हम students को उन पे फोकस कराएं या वो learn कराएं. That's point second. Third point is that we don't usually provide our students with a sense that how important the diagrams are. हम diagrams पे फोकस नहीं करवाते उनका. So it's our duty that हम डायग्राम्स पे ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस दें, हम डायग्राम्स पे उनका ज़्यादा फोकस कराएं, बिकॉज डायग्राम्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर देम. एंड द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज़ दैट जो भी चैप्टर होता है उसमें जो मेन टर्म्स होती हैं या जो मेन पॉइंट्स होते हैं, हमें चाहिए कि हम अपने स्टूडेंट्स को वो पॉइंट्स दें और वो वहाँ से प्रैक्टिस करके उन पॉइंट्स पे, मेन पॉइंट्स पे प्रेजेंटेशन डिलीवर करें. If the presentation is full of mistakes, we can ignore that. There is no problem in that. With the passage of time, they will definitely show a kind of improvement in their presentations. क्योंकि presentation deliver करना बच्चों के लिए बोलना, they should be able to, or we should push them in a situation where they will feel comfortable and they will be able to speak some lines on that topic. And these points are very important for them. We should actually stop relying on excuses. अगर हम हमेशा excuses देते रहेंगे, then quality education, it would always remain a far-fetched idea and a dream. अगर हम, if we are truly serious in quality education, then we need to take some initiatives. And the points which I highlight in this video are some among them. If we really want to bring a desired change in our education system, then we have to take these steps from today, from this moment. Because change is the law of nature. There is nothing permanent except change. You cannot step into the same river twice. I'd like to end my video with a quote which says that you should become the change that you want to see in the world. Stay safe, stay blessed. God bless you. Take care.